Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Practical Organic Living. It is winter and winter means citrus. We have a lot of citrus fruits growing in our garden right now, including lemons. So these are the New Zealand lemonade lemons, and they are special because they are low in acidity and they're quite sweet. So our New Zealand lemonade tree is about 3 years old. And over the years, we only have been using it for cooking, like squeezed over grilled fish or for making lemonade. But we haven't really used it for other applications. So today I'm going to make a simple lemon olive oil cake. So let's get started. So first thing first, let's preheat our oven to 375 degrees. And then while the oven is being preheated, we can prepare our pan. So here I have a springform pan, and I have a piece of parchment paper that I'm going to put on the bottom of the pan. I'm going to grease the inside of the pan with some olive oil. So next, I'm going to flour the sides of the pan. This will prevent the cake from sticking. Okay, so we'll set this aside. So I already zested these lemons and now I'm cutting it up to get the juice. So you need about a half cup worth of lemon juice. So for the ingredients, I have all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, whole milk, oil, zest from 3 lemons, half cup lemon juice, vanilla extract, and eggs. So now we have the pan ready to go. Let's combine the sugar and the eggs into a big bowl. And then we will whisk this on high until it's fluffy. Okay, so then now we will add in the olive oil slowly. So we're just making sure that everything is well incorporated. Okay, so now that the oil has incorporated, I'm going to add the lemon zest and then the lemon juice. Okay, so now next I'm gonna add in the milk. Okay, so next I'm going to add in the flour mixture that has the salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Slowly add in the flour. So I'm going to finish the mixing by hand. So you don't want to overmix the batter. We're just going to mix until there's no streaks of flour. Okay, so our batter is ready and I'm going to pour it into the pan. And then the final step is to sprinkle granulated sugar on top. And this will create a really nice crust. And the nice thing about this cake is that you really don't need any frosting to go with the cake, and you can really just eat it on its own. So we're ready to put this into the oven. So we'll let this bake for about 40 to 45 minutes, and then we will do a toothpick test to see if it's ready. So we'll come back in a few minutes. Okay, so the cake just finished baking. We're gonna let it cool down for a few minutes in the pan, and then I'll take it out of the pan and put it onto the cake stand. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip the cake over. Okay, so the cake has cooled down to room temperature and we are going to slice through the cake and see what it looks like inside. It's definitely very moist and the top and outside has a thick crust. So let's give it a try. So the top, you can taste the caramelized sugar, so it gives a crunchy taste. And the cake itself is very moist and you can taste the lemon flavor. It really comes through. So the lemon olive oil cake is something that's very easy to make at home, and you can, enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. So thank you for joining us for today's episode, and we hope to show you more videos on how to use homegrown produce. And we will see you next time. Bye.